Students, welcome to Science Sunhera classroom. In this video, we will discuss about this theorem. Prove that root 3 is irrational. We already know that if a prime number is under root, then it is always a irrational number. We already learned it in the previous classes, but in 10th class, we need to prove it. So, to prove it, we will see how we can prove it. Let's say, for example, root 3 is irrational, but we need to prove it is irrational. So, let us assume root 3 is rational. What is the form of a rational form? It should be in P by Q form, and here the condition is P and Q does not have any common factor, right? If it has a common factor, then it is a contradiction. So we will see it. This is the condition. Now squaring on both sides. Both sides, 3 is equal to P square by Q square. Then it implies Q square is equal to P square by 3. So we already discussed in the previous theorem, if P divides A square, then it implies P also divides A, right? Here the same thing we will say. If 3 divides P square, then it automatically divides P. If 3 divides P square, it implies 3 divides P. Okay, let n is equal to P by 3. Let's say if n is equal to P by 3, then what is the P value? 3n. Put this P value in this equation. Like for example, I will put it in Q square is equal to 3n whole square divided by 3. Here Q square is equal to 9n square by 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. What is the Q square value? 3n square. Here n square is equal to Q square by 3. Right? Now here the same thing follows. If 3 divides Q square, then it implies 3 divides Q. Now we will take let m is equal to Q by 3. It automatically divided, so m is equal to Q by 3. 3m is equal to Q. Here we have Q value, and in this we have P value. Now we will substitute this in here in P by Q form. We will substitute this in P by Q form. Now P by Q is equal to 3n by 3m. What is the value of Q? It is 3m. 3m. Now we'll see. Here we can see that here they are common factors. Here 3 is a common, and here 3 is also a common. 3 is a common factor, which is a contradiction. We already discussed that P and Q should not have any common factor, but here 3 has a common factor. So this is a contradiction. So our assumption is wrong. What is our assumption? That root 3 is a rational number. So assumption is wrong means root 3 is irrational. Hence prove that root 3 is irrational. In the same way, we need to prove for every question. For example, whatever the question may be. So if a prime number is under root, like root 2, root 5, root 7, root 11, root 13, whatever and so on, whatever it may be, we need to prove in this way only. This is the way to prove root 3 is an irrational number. Thank you. This is Sunhera signing off.